Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the CLX Set Gaming PC. Don't forget to hit the link below for current pricing and availability. Starting with the processor, the CLX Set is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 9900X, running at 4.4 GHz. This CPU delivers lightning-fast performance with multiple cores and threads, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks all at once. Whether you're rendering videos, compiling software, or playing the newest AAA titles, the Ryzen 9 ensures everything runs smoothly without lag or slowdown. Paired with the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T GPU, which brings next-gen graphics power to the table. With support for DLSS 3, ray tracing, and ultra-high settings, games look stunning at high resolutions, and frame rates stay buttery smooth. From open-world RPGs to competitive shooters, you'll get detailed visuals and responsive gameplay without compromise. This GPU also accelerates creative tasks like 3D rendering, AI-assisted workflows, and video editing, making it great for creators as well as gamers. Storage and memory are also top-notch. The system comes with a 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD, providing ultra-fast boot times, rapid game loads, and plenty of space for large game libraries, media files, or creative projects. Combined with 32 GB of DDR5 RGB memory, multitasking is seamless. You can run multiple applications, stream, and game simultaneously without any slowdown. The RGB memory also adds a stylish, customizable look to your build, making it visually striking inside that sleek white case. Speaking of cooling, the CLX Set features a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, which keeps the CPU temperatures low even during extended gaming or heavy workloads. It ensures consistent performance while reducing noise levels, so you can focus on gaming or creating without distractions. Connectivity is excellent, with built-in Wi-Fi, USB-C, multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort options. This makes it easy to connect monitors, peripherals, and accessories for a complete gaming or productivity setup. And with Windows 11 Home, you get the latest features, updates, and optimizations for gaming, productivity, and security. The design of the CLX Set is clean and modern, finished in white with tempered glass panels that show off the internal components and RGB lighting. It's a system that looks as good on your desk as it performs, combining style with functionality. In real-world use, this gaming PC delivers exceptional performance across the board. Games run smoothly at high settings, creative tasks are faster than ever, and multitasking is effortless. Whether you're a competitive gamer, streamer, or content creator, the CLX Set is a complete powerhouse ready to handle anything you throw at it. Overall, the CLX Set Gaming PC combines an AMD Ryzen 9 9900X CPU, RTX 5070T GPU, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, a 2TB NVMe SSD, and advanced cooling in a stunning white chassis. It is a premium, all-in-one system for anyone looking to play, create, and multitask at the highest level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming and tech content, and let me know in the comments what game you'd test first on the CLX Set. See you in the next one.